With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here we have a question. A circle with radius 10 cm is drawn somewhere on a rectangular piece of paper of dimension 40 cm into 30 cm. This paper is kept horizontal on a table top and a point is marked on the rectangular paper without seeing toward it. So find the probability that it will mark outside the circle. We have to find the outside this circle where we have given pi equal to 22/7. So here according to a dimension we have given dimension of rectangular piece is 40 centimeter into 30 centimeter, which is therefore area of rectangle is 40 into 30, which is equal to 1200 centimeter square, and we have given the radius 10. Therefore the area of circle is, as we know, the area of circle is pi r square, so the pi is 22/7 and r is 10, so 10 into 10, which is equal to 100 pi. We write this value same as pi centimeter square. So let's up, we have given this rectangle of this circle 10 centimeter radius with dimension 40 centimeter into 30 centimeter rectangular dimension. It means according to a diagram here, the required remaining portion is this, which means remaining portion rectangular area minus area of circle. So therefore area of remaining portion, which is equal to area of rectangular minus area of circle, which is 1200 minus 100 pi centimeter square. Therefore required probability is favorable portion, means the remaining portion, upon total portion. So favorable portion is 1200 minus 100 pi centimeter square upon 1200. So here we will take 100 as a common, so there will be the 12 minus pi upon 1200 centimeter square. Then 0 cancel out with 0, so there will be 12 minus, now put the value of pi as we have given, 22/7 upon 12 centimeter square. Now take the LCM, it will be the 84 minus 22 and 7 in a denominator, then 7 into 12, which is equal to 62 upon 42, not 42, it will be the 7 into 12. So here it will be the 31/42. So this is the required probability.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.